to do that, do yourself a favor and get yourself this valve keeper and remover and installer tool, because without it, it's a pain in the ass. So to start out, this is the valve, and you take just this half of the tool for now because it's got a magnet inside.
Just the handle.
Put it on top and give it a good whack with a hammer, and it should pop out. And it has the top on there, and the two little keepers should be inside there because of the magnet. So then we take those, put them aside, don't lose them. Then take the spring out. Then get some needle nose pliers, and you'll see the old valve stem seal in there. Be careful not to scar any surfaces in here, but I like to grab it. Don't do that.
Give it a little wiggle.
Give it some twist to get it loose. It should come out.
Ew.
And that's why we're changing these. Throw that one away. Then, oh yeah, also make sure you have a towel underneath, or else you can see, look up here, the valve will drop down, and you need it fully up while you're doing this, or else everything won't go back together. So put a towel underneath, because you don't want anything too hard, or else you might bend the valve. So once that's out, you can put your new seal in, and we've been taking just a little probably 10 millimeter deep socket, push it down on there, and then give it some light taps until you hear the tone of it change, which means you're just like hitting the head. So listen.
Hear how it got deeper?
And more hollow. Then put your spring back in. The top of this thing, I don't know what it's called, but the keepers should only go in one way. I think they're sloped inward, and they're fatter at one side than the other side. At least that's what I've been telling myself. So you put them in, one on each side. Then once in there, this can go back on top of here. Then you take your tool, take the handle of it, and this other piece, which will fit right in there now. This is springy, and it goes on top of here. Make sure you still have your towel under there. Put it on top, give it a good push until you hear some clicks, and slowly lift off so it doesn't shoot everywhere. And first try.
You mean all of them have been first try?
Yeah. And then you're done.